Okay, my loves, let's start this one off giving a shout out to the notification gang, okay? And this is a non judgment zone, okay? Completely just non judgment zone. My last video, we was talking about me getting my life, so I'm getting my life, okay? I know that y'all think that this whole little YouTube thing is all glitz and glamour, but no, this is how it really looks behind the scenes after I'm filming and editing and going back and forth to the studio to film hair videos and all of that stuff. This is what I'm left with, okay? This is real life, okay? So, yeah. I don't care. You got this on the wall. I'm trying to say you got this. By the way, nobody can see in my house. It's that, those windows that, it's invisible and stuff on the inside. Anyway, so, y'all, this house is beautiful, but it's a lot to clean. And when I have all of the stuff going on that I have going on, it makes it very, very hard for me to keep my head above water, okay? But I am getting my whole life together. My husband is like on his way, waking up, but not really woke up all the way. And I'm about to show y'all my closet real quick, but we not doing that in this video. Most of my clothes on the floor and in the washroom, that's gonna be another video. We not going there today, and then it's gonna be another video if y'all want to see it where I clean the bathroom. Listen, my kids did that to the garbage can. Don't know why my husband put stuff up there. I don't know. Look, clothes. Listen, okay. Look, oh well. Okay, so now I'm going to start cleaning this first. This is the area that I put basically all of my makeup and all of the extra carry-on stuff. I'm going to be honest and say that I'm doing kind of like a summer cleaning because spring has already came and went. So I'm basically cleaning this up and getting rid of all of the stuff that I don't need. You guys, like doing hair for so long, I have so much stuff. So I'm getting everything situated, but for the most part, all of this is stuff that I use on a regular basis when I film for you guys. So I am going to just clean all of this up, and in this spray bottle I just have some water. It's a Fabuloso, okay, and I use that for everything, and it smells so good. I want to say this, don't make me lie, I don't know what scent it is, but this thing that I'm using was actually something that my husband had, this old stand that he had in his man cave, but he got a new little thingamajig and he was gonna throw this one away, but I was like, wait a minute, I can use it. So I'm just cleaning all of this up, and then in a second I am going to go ahead and unpack my bag. Do not judge me. Yes, I just pushed that in there like that. It's gonna stay, okay? And my kids, they don't mess with stuff and stuff, okay? My daughter just walked up. Say hi.
Hi.
So now I'm cleaning up everything, and I'm going to come back whenever it comes time for me to get to the, actually no I'm not. So remember those little black baskets that was in the closet? That was one of the baskets, and now this is a bag that the stuff that's left in the bag from the last time I was at the studio filming. So this is what I have to do every time. I have to take everything out and sanitize everything. I have a video coming up really soon teaching you guys how to sanitize your utensils and all of that stuff. But yes, honey, whenever I do hair, I have to literally pack up everything and take it to the studio and then unpack it and sanitize everything. So it is more than a notion, and I am just going to include you in that entire process in this video. So I don't know, get some chips or something and sit back and relax and enjoy the fact that I'm the only one that got to do this, and you get to sit back and watch me work like a slave. Yes. Okay, so I don't know what was in that box or where it came from. It was just right there. And that wig is one that I made like 3 or 4 times as a collection, and it sold out. But my daughter wanted one, so she has one, and it's the one that she plays with. So I have a bunch of lashes. Normally, the hair companies always send me lashes, so I always have more than enough. And now I'm just somewhat putting all of my makeup and stuff back in the places that it goes. I said somewhat because I'm still finding a place for everything, you guys. And so these are all the combs and brushes and stuff like that I use, that, like I said, I'm going to sanitize in another video coming up. And now I am just separating everything. Chicken that's pretty much it for this part. But like I said, I just wanted to come and like say something about this random box that just popped up out of nowhere. I'm pretty sure that okay, listen, I'm at home. My husband obviously don't care that I'm recording, so that loud burst of laughter you heard, my bad, girl. But anywho, so I'm just cleaning out this box, and I think the last time I was filming or something, maybe I did makeup, put in that box, took it downstairs, forgot all about it. So now I'm just putting everything back, girl. Keep watching, girl.
Hello everybody, I'm cleaning up right now, so I'm gonna clean up right now, and then mom's gonna do my mom's gonna do my hair.
She just wants y'all to know normally she cute.
Mom, you're embarrassing.
Dissy, come get your toys off the floor, baby. Okay, so at this point, I am vacuuming. This area right here is probably the one area that I should lay plastic down in and stuff, because I don't always go downstairs to film on my videos whenever I'm doing hair color and things like that. So sometimes I'm lazy and I do it up here. I haven't dropped any hair color per se, but I did drop some purple shampoo, and surprisingly it did leave a little stain, but I am able to get it up. I use the same, oh wait, there's my baby vacuuming the floor. We just got her really quick to clean up, so don't be judging us for looking dusty, and she got on 2 different socks, but it's okay. So this is the stuff that I use. In my last video with me doing my room, I used this before, so I'm just spraying all of the little spots that I have on the carpet, and then it's gonna sit there for approximately like 20 minutes while I get other stuff done. But yeah, once it's set there for a minute, then I just go ahead and get like a wet towel, a warm wet towel, and then I just scrub out the spots. But one thing about this stuff is it really lets you see how much you need to shampoo your carpet. So another vlog that's gonna be coming up very soon is me get my carpet shampooed, because, well, my husband's shampooing the carpets, because I doubt it if we'll get somebody else to do it, because I don't know, we're do-it-yourselfers, okay? But anywho, so I'm just getting this up off the floor, and I end up wiping and then rinsing it out like one more time just to get it done. Okay, it was hot, I had to go change my clothes. Okay, so if anybody got a problem with my legs out, then I don't know what to tell you, or will. Okay, so I'm just getting everything up off of the floor in my room. I'm not going too deep into the video as it pertains to my room, because I already have a couple of vlogs cleaning up my room and stuff in real good detail. But I did want to show you guys the flower pot that we made on one of my last do-it-yourself vlogs. That's the one that I'm talking about, where I got it. But that little piece of a flower just fell out, so I am gonna go back and fix it and use some glue and stuff. Yeah. But now, I'm just wiping the TV off and all that stuff, because it's like dust just accumulates. And I promise, your girl is not dusty. I clean up all the time. This is just like a full week of me not really cleaning up. I'm just being honest, okay? So whatever. So now I'm cleaning off everything. I love this pink Himalayan salt rock that I have sitting there. Just gets my atmosphere all lovely. And that window right there is the window to my balcony, and lately it's been really windy, so we haven't had the rocking chair and stuff that's out there. We've had it flipped upside down, just because it makes a whole bunch of noise at night, and I don't feel like being bothered. It gets to be very annoying. So anywho, as you can tell, there go my man, my stuff. At this point, I've woken him up. So he's out of the bed and helping. He always helps me clean up and stuff like that. So no, the bed is not made perfectly yet. Honestly, I didn't plan on, filming this part, but we're gonna make up the bed. My children get in my bed all the time, so there are random things there. Like, I think that was a Band-Aid in the bed. Yeah, guys, I don't know how that happens, but anywho, I'm making up the bed now, and I'm, just honestly and truthfully, this is like a ghetto bed makeup. It's not really that deep, because this isn't laundry day. Laundry day is next week, and that's when I like try to make the bed all cute, but right now, not so much. But anywho, putting my pillows together, remember the pillowcases that I let you guys see? Whenever we do the finishing video, like doing my closet and stuff, then you'll get to see the bed actually made, because then I just threw the pillows on there. But I want to real quick go out here and get this balcony together. He's like, babe, what? Like, can you set up the camera real quick? And I know, like, my neighbors right across, they are so freaking nosy, bro. Like, so nosy. I know they're like, oh my God, what are they doing with the camera? Oh my God. I'm just getting everything set back up out there, because the weather is getting better. I'm gonna sit out on my balcony tonight in front of the fire pit. Yes, it's gonna be magical. My baby's gonna come out there with me if I go, and she's been standing here this whole time. But you know, that is pretty much it, you guys. This is like my house, and this is just a really quick run through. I had to clean up my whole house. Like I said, I haven't really cleaned up in a week, so you're gonna get like a part 2 and 3, but this is part 1. I hope you had fun. So do you see what I mean? My baby's in the bed. That's why I didn't make it all the way up, because my baby's in the bed. Oop, my bad. Didn't know that part was in here. Not doing this voiceover again and editing that. Close your eyes. Cover your kids' eyes. I don't know what to say. But that is pretty much it, you guys. If you're not doing so already, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel. And once you do so, make sure, oh, he fine. Make sure you click that bell notification so you're notified every time I post a video. And lastly, make sure you are subscribed to my website so you don't miss a beat, girl. Thank you for watching, girl. Bye, girl.